So guys, in this video I'm planning to talk in Tamil. So எனக்கு எவ்வளோ தமிழ் தெரியாதே கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் தெரியும். So whenever I'm not able to talk, I'll அப்படியே start talking in English. நீங்க எல்லாம் மேனேஜ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. So it's still புரியல, then comment in the comment box, நான் reply பண்ணிக்கிறேன். So in this video I'm planning to talk about என்ன products I'm using for my hair care. So if you guys are also facing problem like me, like hair loss or thinning hair, then kandipa this video parenge till end. Like munadi I was literally facing like 2 years munadi nariya hair loss problem, then thinning hair problem, and then inike theriyade fd aiche this one, like maybe a change of water irukkalam or maybe any reasons irukkalam, and I was literally facing nariya hair loss problem, and I literally went to the depression because over a day I used to lose 200 male, I mean more than 200 male hair. Then some of my friends advised me parlor ponge, this hair smoothing panenge. I even tried that, work agli. Then some of my friends asked me go with kera smoothing, for I even tried that, that also work agli. Even more than that I started losing my hair. Even my friends suggested me ninge keratin spa ponge. Even I tried keratin spa as well, like 4 sitting le they'll ask you to come, that also I tried. And when you go to parlor le salon le they will ask you this product try panenge, that product try panenge, ella I tried. Even for me double hair started losing. Then inike theriyade enna panna, and then kind of when you start losing hair, like kind of you will have that infinity complex மாதிரி வரும்ல, like styling பண்ண முடியாது and hairல nothing பண்ண முடியாது, அது மாதிரி same thing for me அப்படி ஆயிடுச்சு. Then from last 6 months I got introduced to few limited products, and I'm using that only, and it really helped me. Like இப்படி சொல்ல முடியாது 100% hair loss control ஆயிடுச்சு இல்ல, almost from 140% 60% for me almost hair control ஆயிடுச்சு. So I thought I'll share with you all also, if you guys are also having facing problem like me, then kandipa this video parenge till end. And now vaange video lo polam. So first product which I use is this one, Mama Earth onion hair oil. Actually it's not compulsory ninge this oil use pannalam, any oil which suits for your hair ninge use panikalam, but thing is at least do oiling minimum 2 times in a week. And when you're doing oiling la kandipa at least like gentle massage panenge for 5 to 6 minutes, romba rough pannadinge. And don't, it's not compulsory overnight podno oil or vachinu adha madri illa. When you're doing it, do it very gently, and 2 hours before bathing podo. And yeah, so this oil I have bought it from Amazon. Actually na cover pichite, so but still I'll share with you guys link. I think I bought it for 338 rupees, but it's coming for me more than 5 to 6 months. Like I'm using since almost 5 months, and same oil that I'm using. So for medium hair like me nalla 5 months varum. Then this oil kenala for me, after using this oil nariye I started like getting more new hair, and almost like hair, like you can say reduce kunjo kami aiche. So that's why I'm stick with this oil. Second product, shampoo. So I am using this shampoo, Tresemme, I think then keratin smooth le ama. So Tresemme keratin smooth. So this shampoo you'll get it in any shop, like Kuti shop, supermarket, any ellarle kadikom this shampoo. So actually this shampoo le I'm still confused, like I don't know exactly it's helping me or not, but Ivlo, I cannot even see that hair loss agade. So that is why I'm sticked with this shampoo. But yeah, one very important thing for shampoo if you use pananola, you always dilute it. Like if you are taking a 5 ml of shampoo, always dilute with 10 ml of water, and appada use panenge. And always use it scalp. Don't put your shampoo kile hair la. Always scalp mattoda ninge pote konjam massage pante, like same like கொஞ்சம் gently massage பண்ணிட்டு நீங்க hair wash பண்ணணும். So directly shampoo hair le போடாதீங்க, always dilute it. Or else one more thing you can do, take one empty like shampoo bottle or putty bottle, adile munadi itself நீங்க dilute பட்டு வச்சிக்கலாம், அது மாதிரி also use பண்ணிக்கலாம். So this I think it's for 175 rupees I bought it. This you can get it at any shop. and say okay. So this third product I'm using is this hair mask. I've totally stopped using conditioner at all because conditioner enale I'm getting more dryness. Like whenever I use conditioner for half an hour to 1 hour, I'll feel like, you know, irke hair is like, I'll get that shininess, everything. And again after using, like if I go out and all, I'll be back to that dryness wala thing. My scalp la rombo dry agum. So after that I started using this hair mask. I think I'm using this hair mask from almost last 6 months, and it really giving me a great result. So if you need parlor povingla, and you'll get nice smooth shining wala, like whenever we go to parlor hair spa and all, we'll do like when we do hair spa or this one hair wash and all, when we go for it like smooth shining nourish varole that hair at the madri same you'll get feeling after applying this hair mask. So that frizziness will go from your hair at all. So that is also indirectly it'll control your hair fall. So it really given me a nice improvement. So yeah, so அப்படி this apply பண்ணோம்ல, like how you guys are using conditioner, same மாதிரி தான் apply பண்ணோம். Like after applying shampoo and rinsing with water, நல்லா your almost semi dry பண்ணிக்கோங்க hair, and then nicely take this mask on your கையில and apply பண்ணிட்டு, all you should not apply on your head, always apply lower part. நல்லா apply பண்ணிட்டு leave it for 10 minutes and again wash it with the water. And if possible comb also, because if you're combing, no, so people who are having curly hair or konja round hair irukule, konja straight madri look varum, like straightening madri look varum. So paathite nalla irukum. So yeah, this is the fourth product which I use. Like when you do shampoo or mask or anything you put almost still you will have dryness on your hair. It won't go like your rough end still your like hair endla still konja rough irukum. So adukku da I use this serum. Like serum nothing it's actually plays a role of oil da. Like oil we cannot put all the time and go out. Like adukku da we are using serum to give us shyness, and same thing konja dryers frizziness konja kammi agum after putting serum. So serum also I've tried a lot, nothing suited my hair. This serum only actually after applying, it's like literally giving me a nice look, like not look so like that frizziness, that dryness when you put your finger ulle hair ulle della varade indle nalla feeling varum. So this is from Smooth Straight and Matrix serum I'm using, Optic Care shea butter ke. This is, it's I think 470 ka I bought it. I think I'll get it in both Amazon and Nykaa also you can get this product. So even I'll share with you all guys link as well. So and very important thing, adala this all limited products I'm using for my hair care. And the very important thing, nalla at least in a day 4 to 5 liter thanni kudikno. That's the main thing, will give you that face also shyness, and your hair growth also nalla ago, which I done a mistake. I'll like na konja da thanni kudipen munadi. So I started literally implementing this in my life, and I can see nalla changes after drinking nalla water. So yeah, so if you guys are also, you know, planning to try new product or thinking to try new product or facing a problem like me, hair loss and thinning hair, kandipa this product try panenge, and let me know if you guys can also see improvement like me. But yeah, very important thing, any product ningala use pandringle, minimum use it for at least minimum for 3 months, because after 3 months then you guys can see the changes, or is it really suiting your hair or not, or not hair, even skin or any product you guys are using. Always minimum use it for 3 months. That's it guys for iniki video, and do like my video, subscribe, and ninge friends ella share panenge, and mandra dinge to hit the bell icon. Thank you.